You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Huawei recently unveiled the P30 Pro new edition in Germany, and it is just a rebadged P30 Pro. The company only added a new color option and tweaked the camera slightly. The good thing is the phone shipped with Google Mobile Services, something missing on recently Huawei phones due to the US ban. There's a shiny new Huawei handset launching next month that will arrive with one hugely exciting feature for fans of the brand. The P30 Pro new edition goes on sale in the UK from June 1 and is priced at £700. The phone is available in 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage as standard. Unlike every other handset launched by Huawei in the last 12 months, this one comes fully fitted with Google Apps and services. Yes, you've read that correctly. The P30 Pro new edition ships with Gmail, Google Photos, Google Maps, and the all-important Google Play Store for almost every other app, movie, song or ebook you want to enjoy on your phone. Due to the ongoing US trade ban, all new devices released by Huawei, including the most recent P40 Pro and Mate 30 Pro, are not allowed to ship with any Google apps or services and must use the open-source version of Android, not the one designed by Google and available on the likes of the OnePlus 8 Pro and Pixel 4, for example. But the P30 Pro new edition gets around the ban because it's a reboot of an older phone that was released before the US trade ban kicked in. Most of the main specs stay pretty much the same, with the new edition getting the P30 Pro's 6.47-inch OLED dewdrop screen, impressive Leica-powered quad-rear camera and fast Kirin 980 processor. However, this latest device does get an exclusive silver frost color scheme, and there's now 256GB of storage, plus 8GB of RAM as standard. Other features include an embedded fingerprint, waterproof design and large 4200 mAh battery, which can fast charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Huawei also bundles a free Watch GT2e smartwatch with each order until June 30. The device will be available from official Huawei stores and select carriers. There is one final thing to be aware of, as if you want the ultimate hardware upgrade, then the new P40 Pro is tough to beat. This device gets an improved 90Hz screen, better camera with 50x zoom, and there's a faster Kirin 990 processor, which also offers access to 5G data speeds. The P40 Pro costs £899, and there is, of course, no access to Google Apps. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.